Hello and very good morning to everyone. Today we are going to do Unit 8, How the Tiger Got Its Stripes. The topic for today is conjunction. Alright, our focus skill is grammar. Alright, let's begin. The objective for today is by the end of the lesson, pupils should be able to fill in the blanks with conjunctions correctly. What is conjunction? A conjunction is the glue that holds words, phrases, and clauses, both dependent and independent together. There are three different kinds of conjunction, which are coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and correlative conjunctions. Alright. So again, a conjunction is the glue. The glue means penyambung kepada perkataan, frasa dan juga glosa. Okay, these are the example of coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions that I have mentioned earlier. Okay, let us look at the example. Okay, sentence 1. The man tied the tiger to a tree and he ran home with his goats. Sentence 2. The tiger waited for the man, but he never returned. So both words in red are conjunctions, right? Example of conjunctions that you need to know: for, and, but, yet, so, or. Let us look at the other examples. We love to listen to Anna. She sings sweetly. So we have two sentences here. So we are using conjunction to combine these two sentences into one. So look at the answers. We love to listen to Anna for she sings sweetly. We use for. Number 2, Kamini is a graceful dancer. People enjoy watching her. Again, we have another two sentences that we need to combine to make it into one. Kamini is a graceful dancer and people enjoy watching her. So here, Kamini is a graceful dancer is a positive thing. People enjoy watching her is also a positive thing. So we can combine this sentence by using and. Alright, number 3, she is a great swimmer. She prefers to play golf. Look at the answer. She is a great swimmer, but she prefers to play golf. Now here, she is a great swimmer. So she is known for a type of sports, but in the second sentence, she prefers to play golf. She wants to do another sports. Right? So we use but, right? We use but to show different between the first sentence and the second sentence, right? So she is a great swimmer, but she prefers to play golf. Number 4, he can buy the book, he can borrow it from the library. So look at the answer. He can buy the book or he can borrow it from the library. Now he can choose to buy the book, or he can also choose to borrow it from the library. So or here is for us to make a choice. Right? Number 5, they did not succeed, they did not give up. They did not succeed, comma, yet they did not give up. So yet, we use yet, and before yet we use comma. Alright, number 6, Asin felt cold, he put on his jacket. Asin felt cold, comma, so he put on his jacket. So here is cause and effect. Asin is cold, so he puts on his jacket. So the cause is cold and the effect is he put on his jacket. A comma can be used in joining the clauses. It is placed before the conjunctions in the sentence. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with correct conjunctions. Number 1, I am a wife, blank, a mother. Number 2, she wants to go to bed early, blank, she is tired. Number 3, my grandfather is old, blank, he is active in sport. Number 4, I can eat the pizza right now, blank, I can save it for later. Number 5, Kamini needed some new clothing, blank, she went shopping. Number 6, he never drives to work, blank, he sometimes drives to the mall. Now let us look. Can you guess the answer before we proceed with the answers? Now let's check the answers. Fill in the blanks with correct conjunctions. Number 1, I am a wife and a mother. Number 2, she wants to go to bed early for she is tired. Number 3, my grandfather is old but he is active in sport. Number 4, I can eat the pizza right now or I can save it for later. Number 5, Kamini needed some new clothing so she went shopping. Number 6, he never drives to work yet he sometimes drives to the mall. Did you get the answers? Exercise 2. Complete the sentences using the conjunctions provided. Number 1. She puts on a sweater for. Number 2. Susan thinks she should stay home or. Number 3. Encik Hakimi drove to visit his friend and. Number 4. The restaurant has limited food choices yet. Number 5, Najmi did not understand the homework. So now they already give you the conjunction. You just need to add up the clausa so to make it a full sentence. Now let's check the answers. Complete the sentences using the conjunction provided. Right, number 1, she put on a sweater for she is feeling cold. Number 2, Susan thinks she should stay home or go outside. Number 3, Encik Hakimi drove to visit his friend and he was very happy. Number 4, the restaurant has limited food choices, yet there are many customers. Number 5, Najmi did not understand the homework, so he asked his mother. Alright, since, although, and because are also conjunctions. Alright, so previously we have learned about the 6 conjunctions. Now we need to add up another 3 more. Since, although, and because. Now look at the table given, conjunctions, usage, and examples. Now look at since, to express cause and effect. Since you are very kind, I will buy you a gift. Although, to show contrast. Although the man is old, he is very strong. Because, to show reason. She is late to school because she missed the bus. Right? So again, since, to express cause and effect. Since ni untuk menunjukkan cause dan effect, kesan dan akibat. So since you are very kind, sejak kamu baik, I will buy you a gift. Saya akan bagi kamu hadiah. Although, to show contrast, untuk menunjukkan perbandingan. Although the man is old, he is very strong. Walaupun orang lelaki ini tua, tetapi dia sangat kuat. So old is we can relate to weak, right? Being weak. But here, to show contrast, although the man is old, he is very strong. Right. Number 3, because, to show reason, untuk menunjukkan sebab. She is late to school because she missed the bus. Dia lewat ke sekolah kerana dia tertinggal bus. Exercise 3. Fill in the blanks with since, although, or because. Number 1, blank, he was busy, he did not go out to play. Number 2, he is very tired, blank, he did not sleep last night. Number 3, blank, he is poor, he always helps people in need. Number 4, the boy did not buy the t-shirt, blank, it was too expensive. Number 5, blank, it was raining heavily, she went out to meet her friend. Number 6, blank, the traffic was heavy, I arrived on time for the meeting. Number 7, we are going for a picnic, blank, the weather is cool and refreshing. Number 8, Edith is very happy, blank, she won the first prize in the competition. Can you guess the answers? Now, let's check the answers. Right, fill in the blanks with since, although, or because. Number 1, since he was busy, he did not go out to play. Number 2, he is very tired because he did not sleep last night. Number 3, although he is poor, he always helps people in need. Number 4, the boy did not buy the t-shirt because it was too expensive. Number 5, although it was raining heavily, she went out to meet her friend. Number 6, although the traffic was heavy, I arrived on time for the meeting. Number 7, we are going for a picnic because the weather is cool and refreshing. Number 8, Edith is very happy because she won the first prize in the competition. Did you get the answers? Right, exercise 4. Complete the sentences below. Number 1, since he was sick. Or number 2, although she is beautiful. Number 3, I went home early because. Number 4, although it is raining heavily. Number 5, the tiger hid itself in the jungle because. Now, let's check the answers. Complete the sentences below. Number 1, since he was sick, he went to the clinic. Number 2, although she is beautiful, she is very naughty. Number 3, I went home early because I had a stomach ache. Number 4, although it is raining heavily, they keep on playing football. Number 5, the tiger hid itself in the jungle because it was embarrassed of its stripes.